Until what time you sell here? 3 p.m.
Yeah.
until 7 there.
Spicy also, please.
Spicy. Kasi kastudo talaga si Tin.
Sana all.
Sarap. Parang yung mga street food lang yun sa Pilipinas, pero this is better. Dahil masarap yung sauce niya. Tapos may cucumber pa siya. Hindi siyang ulamin. It's so good. Yung sangsawan talaga ang nagdating eh. Manamis-namis na maanghang. And then parang may special herb na nalagay. Parang tapang. It's all good. Masarap.